Some watches are made to look tactical, and some watches actually feel tactical. This is the Casio G-Shock GD350-1BDR, one of the most underrated tactical G-Shocks ever made. First released back in 2013, this black negative display version has built a cult following over the years, and rumors say it may soon be discontinued. Today, we're unboxing it, checking out the design, features, and why many people consider this one of the most military-inspired G-Shocks Casio ever made. Inside the box, you get the manuals, warranty cards, and of course, the GD350 itself. And immediately, this watch gives off a completely different vibe compared to most modern G-Shocks. No flashy colors, no shiny accents, just pure stealth. The GD350 features a matte black resin case and strap with a rugged, bulky profile that looks straight out of military equipment. The dimensions come in at around 53.4 millimeters tall, 50.8 millimeters wide, and about 18 millimeters thick. But surprisingly, it wears very comfortably on the wrist thanks to the lightweight 75-gram construction. The negative display adds to the stealthy appearance, although like most negative displays, visibility can be slightly challenging in certain lighting conditions. But honestly, that dark, tactical look is exactly why people love this version. One of the coolest details is the large front button at the bottom. This instantly activates the backlight, making it easy to use even with gloves on. The buttons themselves are oversized and heavily textured, again clearly inspired by military usability and field equipment design. The GD350 is widely known for its military-inspired design language. Casio reportedly worked with feedback from military personnel during development, focusing on vibration alerts, large buttons, and easy operation under stressful conditions. That's why this watch feels less like a fashion piece and more like actual tactical gear. Everything about it is built for function first. Now let's talk about features. This watch comes with shock resistance, 200-meter water resistance, super illuminator LED backlight, world time, stopwatch, countdown timer, multiple alarms, auto calendar, and a battery life of approximately 5 years. But the standout feature here is definitely the vibration alarm. Instead of only relying on sound, the watch can vibrate for alarms, timers, or notifications. That makes it extremely useful in quiet environments or situations where you don't want loud, beeping sounds. Another great thing is the display layout. Despite the negative screen, the large digits make time reading fairly easy compared to many other negative display G-Shocks. On the wrist, the GD350 wears large and aggressive, but surprisingly comfortable thanks to the soft resin strap and curved case design. It definitely has presence. This is not a small or subtle watch. If you like tactical gear, military aesthetics, or survival-style watches, this thing absolutely nails the vibe. After more than a decade since its release, the GD350 still feels unique in the G-Shock lineup. And if the discontinuation rumors are true, this could soon become one of those legendary tactical G-Shocks people regret not buying earlier. For me, this isn't just a watch. It's a piece of functional equipment with serious character. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe for more watch content, and let me know. Would you choose the stealthy negative display or the standard positive display version?